Parang pumasok ako sa isang RPG game, pero hindi ito video game kundi totoong lugar. Welcome to Igorot Stone Kingdom sa Baguio. Our last visit sa Baguio ay noong 2012 pa. And guess what? Igorot Stone Kingdom didn't exist back then. Kaya ngayon, super excited kami ni Raiden to finally see this new attraction. Entrance fee is 100 pesos per person. Sulit na kasi sobrang lawak ng place na to. Ang cute pa kasi they validate your ticket by stamping your arm with a local Igorot dressed ate. Feels very authentic, diba? Pagpasok pa lang, grabe, ang dami ng tao taking their Insta poses. Pero buti na lang dahil sobrang laki ng lugar, hindi ka mawawala ng photo spots. From above or below, the view is sobrang massive. One of my favorite parts, yung gold mine. Feeling ko nasa quest ako, parang RPG level up. Parang perfect kasi to pang photo op. Another highlight meeting local artists. I even saw string art or philography live and the famous PWD artist who paints portraits using only his foot. Ang galing sobra. Para kang nasa free art exhibit. We also tried crossing the metal bridge. Medyo nakaka-nervous yun pero fun experience. Syempre, hindi mawawala ang picture-perfect memories with their horses. 100 pesos yon if you want to pose or ride. I tried one with colorful hair. Syempre, tinry din na Raiden. And of course, a classic Baguio experience for me. Photos with the St. Bernard dogs. Since dati pa parang hindi kompleto ang Baguio trip ko kapag hindi ako nakapagpa-picture sa mga St. Bernards dito. After hours of exploring, pagod yung katawan ko pero punong-puno yung puso ko. New memories, new discoveries, and a deeper appreciation of local culture and artistry. If you're planning to visit Igorot Stone Kingdom, budget at least 200 or 300 per person for entrance and some activities. Best time to visit, morning para hindi ganun kainit at mas fresh yung photos nyo. At kung naghahanap kayo ng place to stay nearby, check Agoda and use my code AgodaScout for up to 10% off your booking. Sayang din yun, diba? This is Jules and that was our Igorot Stone Kingdom adventure. If you're heading to Baguio soon, ilista nyo na to sa must-visit spots nyo. Kita-kits tayo sa next trip. Let's do it!